Ew. Ew. Weird. Ew. Ew. So, hi guys, weird sniffs. Anyway, I had a boyfriend for the past month, if anyone's been wondering where I've been. I had a boyfriend. I felt kind of guilty about uploading with a boyfriend. Do you know what I mean? But we broke up. Kind of depressed, but I mean, whatever. Things happen. Yeah. So here I am, making this for you. Yeah. Messy. Oh, they're getting messy now. Because my nose is getting... wants to know why there's an irritant in it. So it's... yeah. I'll make another one later for you guys. Bye. That's a weird bye. Bye. I say bye really weird. So, I'm just gonna end it with the hope you enjoyed.